Hey, how you guys doing? We're out here at 1024 Pinecliff Circle, Birmingham, Alabama. We're doing a repairability video, and well, here we go. We're replacing this shingle that has hail damage. Just in this area, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little spots where there's been hail. We're going to replace these two shingles. Looks like the worst is one. Look at how many shingles that we have to take up, break the seal on it in order to take at least just one shingle out. You can see I'm not going all the way up. We don't want to break them. Switch bars. Take the nail out. Oh my God. Shingle only has 1, 2, 3 nails in the whole shingle. Oh, 4, sorry. Requirement of 6 or more per shingle at least. So as you can see, I have to lift every time I try to take out a nail, I have to lift the upper shingle up. Comes out. Oh, no. So we took the nails from the actual shingle, the one that you're supposed to put on, and then when you nail the upper shingle, you got the upper shingle nails on top of it. We still have to get to those nails, which they're all the way up here, so we have to lift the shingle up again. A variety of times that we have to lift the shingle up in order to get the nails out of there. And here we go, we have to break another seal to get to those nails. You have to keep on breaking seals in order to get, to this shingle. And then this one, this is a totally different shingle. We have to also lift it to get the nails out. crazy. If you only have 2 nails, I have to take off. Usually have to be more. There's a 3rd nail, so this shingle only has 3 nails on there. Then I will have to go and get another shingle to replace the one that we wanted to take off. So be right back with you guys.